Hey, coming to you from the Gizella Kopsick Arboretum in St. Petersburg, Florida. Welcome to Odd Rob. So an arboretum is defined as a botanical garden devoted to trees, and this beautiful place certainly fits that definition. Now, here's some information from the St. Petersburg Parks and Recreations Department. The park opens 30 minutes before sunrise and closes at 11 p.m. Located on North Shore Drive, at the foot of 10th Avenue Northeast, just north of North Shore Swimming Pool and the Vinoy Resort. And the adjacent parking is free of charge. Currently, there are more than 500 plants and cycads, representing some 150 species from around the world. The Arboretum offers a unique educational experience, while at the same time providing a peaceful setting to relax and enjoy nature. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. It certainly helps our channel grow. And while you're there, drop a comment, maybe some feedback. Let us know if you've been to the park and what you think about it. The feedback is always appreciated. And so until next time, coming to you from the Gizella Kopsick Arboretum, stay safe, stay well, and by all means, you already know it, stay odd. Yeah.